So, slight delay in our trip. Wednesday the 23rd of August we were meant to be flying out of Hobart to Melbourne, and then Melbourne to LA, and then LA to New York. We did that, got up at 3 o'clock in the morning, and we flew to Melbourne. It takes a while to get through customs and all that. The United Airlines plane that we're meant to board from Melbourne to LA had a mechanical failure, and it was sort of like delayed, or there was like, there was a delay with technical issues, and then it got delayed again, and then they cancelled it. And the reason they cancelled it is because the backup plane that they had also had some sort of mechanical failure or something. We had to line up for ages, or my dad had to line up for ages. So my mum, they ended up booking us on a Qantas flight tomorrow morning, Thursday the 24th of August. And they put us in a hotel for the night, the Mantra at Tullamarine. It was just such a long process because Dad got the text message for our flight updates and all like that. It was probably about an hour after it was cancelled that came through, but then it was like, it took us just such a long time, like a few hours to get out of the airport, because we're in, the international section, we can't just leave. We had to go out through customs and get like deprocessed through customs. Then we had to wait outside for our shuttle bus to the hotel. It's been a really long day of doing a lot but not a lot. So the way it's working is we got a Qantas flight, so we're flying from Melbourne to Sydney tomorrow morning at like 7:30, something like that, and then Sydney to LA, and then getting our connecting flight from LA to New York. So tomorrow is going to be another long day of travel. It's just exhausting. It's currently 6:30 now. I think we went downstairs, had some tea, had a few drinks, and I'm going to go to bed now at 6:30 because I was up at 3. Mum and Dad are in the room next door. I'm in my own room here chilling. So we'll see you tomorrow morning for the resumption of our holiday. Okay, bye. Bora.
You're not giving me enough. You're not giving me enough. Now we will recover. 'Cause we're only human. Yeah, we're only human now. And we found each other. Hanging under the ruins, so nothing good with us. Nothing good with us. Nothing good with
We're walking to the ferry to Staten Island and Statue of Liberty. I must say I definitely am over the smell of weed because it's illegal for cannabis in the US, well in New York anyway, and all I can smell is weed. It's like Snoop Dogg's house.
Wake me up at sunrise, 'cause I'm giving up on you and I've had enough of you not giving me enough. You're not giving me enough. No one will recover, 'cause we're only human. Yeah, we're only human now. And we found each other, hidden under the ruins, so nothing could ruin us. Nothing could ruin us. Nothing could ruin us.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we're falling now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we got?
In Central Park, how lovely is this? It's very beautiful here. It's like being in the movies.
You know you'll have a good time wherever maybe you're still. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
The red stairs, you know the one, the red stairs.
My heart